Hi everybody. So in this video we'll talk about months of the year. As you know, we have 12 months in a year. These months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December. So these are 12 months. There are some differences between the American English concerning the pronunciation of some of these months. For example, January and February, this is British English. American English, we say January, February, as well as in the months September, October, November, December. This is British English. We do not pronounce the final re, but we say just a, schwa, or schwa. So we say September, October, November, December. But in American English, we say September, October, November, December. Okay. First, let's have a look through the spelling and the pronunciation of each one of these months. The spelling means the way in which we write these months. The pronunciation means the way in which we sound, in the way in which we pronounce these months. So, just look at the texts in here and listen. January, February, March. In March we do not pronounce the re, we just say March, March. April, May, June, July, August. And in here it is not August. This is not correct. We say August, August, September, October, November, December. And we should stress the sa. We say December. It is not December. No. This is December. Now, let's repeat them to keep them in mind. Just listen and repeat. We'll say each one of the months 3 times. So just listen and repeat. January, 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 February, 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 March, 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 April, 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 May, 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 June, June, June. Repeat. July, 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 August, 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 September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, December. December. So finally, to keep them in mind, just repeat the video again and again and try to keep them in mind. Goodbye.